It can be whatever you make it, really. It's a bit of a red herring almost as to what a typical day in Cambridge is, because everybody has their own unique timetables and their own schedules, so everyone's days tend to be different.
Dwi'n ba. A dwi am ddweud faint sgolwch dwi'n codi?
O na, mae'n newid trwy'r amser.
Mae'n newid trwy'r amser.
Don't-
Nawn ni ddweud 8. Nawn ni ddweud 8.
Ie, newn ni ddweud
Codi
wyth.
fyny am 8. Brecwast, snau danaf, gwneud y gwely, sgwrs i'r ffôn.
In general, I usually get up in the morning, have breakfast, I'll probably do some reading, or if not, I'll probably go to the library to get a book to do reading.
Just a couple of lectures in the morning and then writing an essay or going to the library in the afternoon, and that's the beauty of it really, is that you don't have to be constrained by certain hours, you can be your own boss.
A wedyn dwi'n dweud gen i lot o 9am, dim gymaint.
Na fi chwaith.
Ond peirianneg mae'n a few. A eisiau 2 awr? 2 awr dylithoedd?
Ie, dwi'n cael tua 2 awr o dylithoedd.
3, dwi'n gwybod. Gen i fi labs weithiau fyd.
O, ie.
Ie, mae'n fi'n hollol anna i ti hyn. Dwi'n neud peirianneg, so mae'n really... Mae gen ni lectures o le 2 awr pob diwrnod, 5 diwrnod yr wythnos, plus labs. Wedyn mae gen i blafer supervisions gyda'r nos, dyna'n unig amser mae'r lecturers a dyn ni fel disgyblion yn rhydd.
It changes as well from year to year. So like in my first year, it was 6 days a week, 2 hours
of course,
a day, and it was fairly regular. And supervisions twice a week or something like that.
Yeah.
But now I got 4 lectures on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's completely different, and I have, instead of supervisions, I have example classes, which are a larger group. So supervisions would be 2 people, maybe 3 at a push. But now there could be anywhere up to 30 people in classes. It's how things have changed.
Felly, diwrnod arferol i fi, sgenna ddim llwythi o oriau dysgu yn ystod yr wsos, felly dwi'n gorfod neud lot o waith annibynnol, felly fel arfer na i ddeffro yn y bore, neu chydig o waith, mynd i'n wersi, a wedyn cael cinio fo ffrindiau.
Cinio'n coleg?
Cinio'n coleg?
Cinio'n coleg, ie. Cinio coleg, cinio gorau.
Ie.
A wedyn, gweithio drwy'r pnawn weithiau. Ond weithiau na jyst ddim wneud gwaith. Na gyfarfod ffrindiau, nawn ni wneud rhywbeth mwy ffun. Gweithio weithiau mwy ffun. A wedyn gyda'r nos, weithiau na cwcio, weithiau yn y coleg eto. Gen ni bar food in Queens. Burgers, pizzas, you name it.
King's is a great college bar, so I quite like going there. And as well, we sometimes have like open mic nights. We have pub quizzes. So, and tonight I'm probably going to go. I am going to go to a formal tonight. So, and there'll be stuff afterwards. So that's
One of my favourite things to do is go see friends at other colleges. Another thing that I want to go see all the colleges. I want to drink in every bar by the time I graduate as well. Do like a sort of a pub crawl across the 3 years. But again, like
long pub crawl.
Yn mynd allan i'r clybiau, neu mae yna lot o bethau da mynd ymlaen yn Caergrawnt o ran fatha nosweithiau comedi, sioia yn yr ADC Theatre, neu hyd yn oed jyst mynd am bike ride bach o gwmpas Cambridge yn really nice. So just fath yna beth really.
So, yn ystod yr wythnos, mae'n really full on, ydych chi'n gweithio o hyd, ond wedyn yn ystod dyn ni wastad mynd allan ar weekends a cael bach o seibiant, cael chill time, wedyn gwneud gwaith, ond mae gwaith yn cymryd dros bywyd chi bach, ond mae'n dda, mae'n ffeindio'r balans bwysig.
Pob nos mae rhywbeth yn digwydd.
Pob nos. Weithiau fydda jyst yn llyfrgell. Weithiau fydd yn y bar quiz, weithiau fyddwn ni'n mynd allan. Weithiau fyddwch chi just randomly yn dyfynu rhyw coleg arall yn siarad gyda'r academics. One of those weird Cambridge nights.
Ni'n ffyn... O'n i just fel mynd I coleg, like Jesus, tua wythnos yn ôl, just hollol randomly. I just fel siarad I bobl na a cael proper in-depth conversation gyda nhw.
Dach chi just yn cyfarfod rhywun yn y bar a wedyn just digwydd bod, maen nhw wedi cyfarfod y president o wlad yma. Maen nhw'n sgwennu papur academaidd, fyddwch chi fel, okay, cool.
Na, es I formal a wedyn yn eistedd yn wynebu fi oedd yr ex-Archbishop of Canterbury. O'n i'n just fel...
It happens.
Yeah,
it happens.
Solid.
Typical day.
O'n i'n siarad Cymraeg I hefyd.
Oh, mae yndi? Hen Rowan.
Yeah. Oh, Dylia Rowan.
You have such a wide friend base, and yeah, it's quite easy to do. You don't have to try very hard to do it, because the college system allows you to. So you'll always have mutual friends with somebody. So someone who does natural sciences at King's, for example, will know one of my friends at Fitz who does natural sciences, so I'll become acquainted with someone who doesn't do my subject, who doesn't come to my college. And I think that's really valuable because I'm such like a broad network of friends here. And I do think that's really great because you don't get that at many other universities.